My 2-minute conviction today is a caution to be more patient. And trust me when I say I know something about this, because I am an impatient person. I hate traffic, I hate being on hold on the telephone. The fuel bowser flows way too slowly for my liking. I'm the guy who's going to cook 2-minute noodles in a minute and a half and just put up with the crunch. Will Ferrell, the comedian, he says, before you get married, put the person you love in front of a computer with a slow internet connection and see who they really are. And I don't think I'd do very well on that test. But as leaders, we need to be more patient. I can dress up my impatience as an honourable virtue. I can say I'm goal-orientated, I'm ambitious, I want to be productive, I don't want to be found idle or lazy. But you and I know it is impatience, and it is a peril in our teams and workplace cultures. It's going to burn relationships. And so, when people realize that you want to push them faster than they're ready or comfortable to go, it's going to cause all sorts of mistrust and relational problems. It's going to create fragile growth in your organizations, because you're going to be accelerating projects faster than they're ready. Your unreasonableness around timeframes and budget is going to create potential sinkholes in the quality, outcomes and execution on your key tasks. And you know what? It's actually going to curb innovation in your organization, because people aren't going to bring you their ideas and their crazy thoughts and their opportunities and their imaginations, because they know your impatience is going to seek to drive it before it's ready. And so to all the type A leaders out there who think their impatience is what's helped them succeed, can I just give you this caution, this conviction? Be a little more tolerant of the people and the things around you. Your patience will be a virtue. And as we show more tolerance for the circumstances around us, we can bring more people with us, we can get more certain outcomes, and the results will speak for themselves. So enjoy this week as you build that discipline of a little bit more patience into your schedule. Have a great week.